Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can lock your Realme apps. Okay, so if you are a user of Realme, if you are a Realme user, then uh, it is great opportunity to you because you don't need any third-party apps for locking your app. Okay, so it is simple. Just you have to follow my instruction, then you will learn how can you do it. So go to settings. We need to go settings, and here you can see the settings apps. Click on it, then scroll down. Okay, scroll down and find the option privacy. I think you can see here privacy. Click on it, then scroll down again, then you can see the app lock. Okay, click on it, and you have to write here to password. So you have to set password here. So I have already created my password, so I just put the password in the box. Okay, and again go. So it needs more time. Then here all apps what I have installed in your Realme. Okay, so choose your Android apps which you want to uh, lock. So I need to lock Gmail. Okay, so click on it, Gmail, and then simply turn it on, then it's done. Okay, so it is simple. Just do your on phone and don't need any third party software. So when you go to Gmail, okay, when you go to Gmail, uh, they want from you a password that you had already created initially. Okay friend, I think you got a helpful video from this tutorial, so thank you for watching.